Hello, welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie, and today I'm going to give you my 21 and 22 week update video. So I was going to post a video last week, but I didn't get around to filming it. It just did not happen. We were gone the week before. Actually, what I'll talk to you just a little bit about that here in a few minutes. But we were gone one of the weeks. And so because of that, I didn't really get around to filming my update video, but I also didn't get around to filming it when we got back. A lot happened after we got back, and you'll find out next time on my next update video. But this update, I was 21 and 22 weeks along. The 21 weeks, not too much happened. I had a lot going on trying to get things packed for our trip. At 22 weeks, I actually had a lot going on. We left and we went down to my parents. We met my parents. They took Silas, and my husband and I got away for a couple of days, and then they all came down to Tennessee, where we went to a couples retreat, and that was really nice. It was nice to get away with my husband and just kind of focus on our marriage. I find a lot of people just kind of set that aside once they have kids, and that's something that my husband and I have worked very hard at trying to keep that alive. And we still like to go out on dates if we can. It's different with having kids. Yes, it doesn't happen as often, but we just have to make a point to get out and go do something. And so that is something my husband and I were focused on. In February, we were like, okay, we're going to go to this couples retreat. We're going to spend a little time together. We're going to just focus on our marriage and our love for each other. And so, and figure out how we can be a better husband and a better wife for each other. And so that is something we have been looking forward to. But because we were traveling a lot, we were in the car a lot. And so my energy level just plummeted. I didn't have very much energy. The one day at the couples retreat, you're supposed to go out in Gatlinburg and just kind of walk around and do stuff. And I told my husband, I said, I would love to, and I would really love to go and just do something, but I really need to go back to the hotel and just get some sleep. So that's what I did. I told him, I was like, if you want to go out, you can, but I'm just going to lay down in the hotel and just kind of sleep so I can make it through the evening. And so he actually came back and took a nap as well. And it was a nice afternoon, but we just took a nap. And so that was kind of my whole week. My energy level was kind of down. And so I did find that as far as cravings go, I didn't really have too many cravings. I still had orange juice every single day. But as far as the cravings go, we have like this bucket list. Every time we go down to the States, depending on where we're going, we have a bucket list as to what we want to eat or drink while we're down there. And so every time we go down to see my parents, we always eat at Chick-fil-A, and we always get frappes from McDonald's. And they're just certain things that we can't get here or that aren't as good here. And so when we're down in the States, that we eat at those places. And so when we go down into the South, there are a ton of places that we have on our bucket list that we love to eat at. And so we had quite a few restaurants that we wanted to get in to eat at. And so I feel like my cravings weren't as noticeable throughout that part of the week. But apart from that, that's pretty much how my week 21 and 22 have been. I have really felt quite a bit of energy since I've been back. So I think it was just the trip that just kind of brought my energy level down. So I feel like I have grown quite a bit this time around the past 2 weeks. As you'll notice, I didn't post a video the week that I was supposed to post a video. Sorry, the sun is starting to come in this window. But I didn't post a video then because I didn't have anything ready. And so I figured I'd rather just, instead of throw something together, I'd rather take the time and do a proper video. So that's why it's a little later, but hopefully it's a better video. So I'll show you my bump now. I do feel like I've really popped. And that's the belly. She's growing and kicking quite a bit. She's doing everything she's supposed to do, and everything's looking good as far as doctor's appointments. So I will keep you informed next week when I upload my next video, because this one's a week late. When I upload that video, there's quite a bit that has happened the past couple of weeks. So I will let you know how those weeks went then. But if you like this video and you look forward to seeing more videos like this, these update videos, I hope that you will give me a big thumbs up. For those of you who are new to this channel and you would like to see more, you can hit the red subscribe button down below. If you're on a mobile device, there's a little bell that you can hit, and that will inform you anytime that I upload a new video. For those of you who'd like to comment, I enjoy hearing from you, and I'd like to read those down below. You can just comment down there, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. I can't wait to see you then. Bye.